On today's menu, a recipe so addictive, you might just eat the entire bowl yourself. Chinese salt and pepper tofu.
Lei ho ma everyone, I'm Will Young. This is a super easy and a delicious side dish.
Preheat your oven to 375. Dry off your extra firm tofu with a paper towel. Slice your tofu into cubes. Spread the tofu on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Hot pan. Half tablespoon Sichuan peppercorn. Half teaspoon black peppercorn. Toast for 1 minute. Pestle and mortar. Peppercorn. 1/4 teaspoon pink salt. Finely grind.
It just smells incredible.
1/4 cup dried chilies. Roughly chopped 3 pieces garlic. Thinly slice 1 piece ginger. Roughly chopped 3 sticks green onion.
You can always do this ahead of time, but when you bake the tofu, it gets this really nice, crispy outer layer, and it makes it perfect for stir frying.
Hot pan. Olive oil. Ginger. Chilies. Garlic. Green onion. Sauté for 3 to 5 minutes. Tofu. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes. Ground salt and pepper. Plate.
So crispy and just incredible.
You can now make this deliciously addictive salt and pepper tofu with absolute confidence.
So incredibly easy. You can put together this amazing side dish. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode. Thank you for joining me on my channel. If you're interested in my vegan ramen cookbook project on Kickstarter, you can click the link here. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.